Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix missing icons in Taskbar. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. I will be showing you a few methods here on how to fix missing icons in Taskbar. First, you have to go to your Task Manager and then look for Windows Explorer, restart, and then once done, you can restart your PC and see if this method worked. The second step or second method is go to your search menu. And then this time you have to look for settings, tap on settings. Now here, what you're going to do next is you have to look for personalization and then scroll down, look for taskbar. Double click taskbar, scroll down and tap on select which icons appear on the taskbar. Now here you can toggle on and toggle off which icon you want to appear here on your taskbar. Now, once done, and then you can now proceed to the next step. Type run, and then type person symbol, app data person symbol, and then tap on OK. Click on app data. After that, you have to look for a local, tap view, and then tap options. Now you have to tap on view again and make sure that you have clicked this show hidden files. Tap apply and then tap OK. Now you have to go to local again, app data, local. You have to scroll down and you should see icon cache. And once you found icon cache right here, all you have to do is to right click and delete. So I hope by following these methods, it will fix missing icons in Taskbar. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.